We're going to go over the 4 ways to make money with a free app. And at the end, I'm going to tell you which one's the most profitable ones, which one I would choose. Here are the 4 ways: one, ads; two, services; three, products; and four, affiliate links. Let's talk about ads. Everyone wants to talk about ads. Well, if you have a platform that allows you to use things like Google AdMob, you can integrate this in your platform so you can get money when people are using your app. You can be having banners, you can have all different types of advertisements already baked into your app. If you're not sure if you can use something like AdMob, make sure that you look for the type of platform, no code, low code platform, or if you're coding it, and see if you can integrate AdMob into the mix. Number two, services. This is highly, I think people sleeping on this. Services, you can offer a service by first offering something free with your app. You're offering a free quiz, more information for people to know about you. So you're building the top of funnel where people are knowing who you are. And then you can convert when people are ready to buy something from you. If you're an expert in something, the best thing that I would do would be services. In fact, this is what we do with Florence Studios. This is an app that we have, and you can actually find this on the Google Play Store and the App Store with your iOS device. You get free topics, free things that we talk about. It links to our podcast, but also there is a service where we offer different businesses for us to be able to offer assessments and evaluations of their online business and all those things. It's a free app. We can talk about it, and then we can point people in the right direction. People can download it and go from there. That is one way that we do it. Also, we offer products as well. We can do links to different products, physical products that we have, and upcoming events where we can actually offer products as well. And anything that we also offer, such as a digital service or something like that, or something that we enjoy using, we can offer an affiliate link. Now, if you notice, just in those few moments, I offer three different types of services, all from one app, all from a free app. It's all right there. Now, some people will say, well, I would rather just go with the ads. I think I'm going to do that. That's an idea, but I will say that is not the most profitable. People always think that they're going to make money off this. Well, I would go to a revenue calculator and check out how much you would be making if you are going to launch just ads. Let's say that you get, we'll bump it up to 300 people a day. And trust me, a lot of apps get a lot less views than that per day, because you've got to think about how many people will not only view your app, how many people will download it and then be in the app as well. So starting out with 300 a day. Now, the CPM, that's just basically how much are you going to be making off of the different ads, how many views you're going to be having. It really ranges depending on what kind of industry you're in. It can go from 10 cents to $11 or $12 even. It just really depends on what's going on with your industry. Google or talk to people in your industry to check out the CPM. So let's say we have like 300 people. Let's say that you're going to make 25 cents every time someone sees your ads. Daily, you're not making anything. Monthly, you're making about $7, $81 a year, right? And you might be saying, but Doc, like, I'm going to have 3,000 people. Okay, you're making $2 a day, right? So you've got to look at, just because you have ads, and I'll zoom in really quick. Just because you have ads doesn't mean you're going to necessarily kill it. And I think a lot of people are just uh, I think hoodwinked. I think people talk about ads too much, and you really need to have either a viral app that a lot of people are playing. You're providing a game. You know, you're doing something with BuildBox. You build a game and it goes crazy, like Flappy Birds, and then maybe you're crushing it. But other than that, that is not profitable. The most profitable that you're going to be seeing in an app would be offering a service or product. That is the most profitable way for you to make money using your free app. And if you want to just get started, you want to recommend things, use affiliate links. All three are better ideas than just relying on ads. There's too many other factors where you might not make enough, they might turn off. Well, there's just too many things that can go wrong with ads. solely. So in the comment section down below, let me know, what are you planning to do? What kind of app are you trying to build? Are you building a game? Are you thinking about having one of these services? Let me know what kind of app it is and where you are and what platform are you using? Flutterflow? Are you using Superpass? Are you using Adalo, Bubble? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if this is helpful, let me know. We do this all the time. Make sure that you like and subscribe. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. We might do this again. We might talk about my streaming service coming out soon. All right. Talk